Most morning routines consist of ingesting these little guys in some way, shape, or form. Today we add to that arsenal with this cold brew mug keg. If you want another way to take in your coffee or a great little quick snack that has a boost, this recipe is for you, and it's low carb too. So let's just jump right into it. To start, I'm really only putting all the ingredients in a bowl for the purpose of this video. I usually just throw it all in the mug so there's less to clean up. Now add in 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 scoop of your favorite chocolate Labrada Nutrition protein powder, or change it up with other flavors, 1 tablespoon of sour cream or Greek yogurt, but in my opinion, sour cream works better for this recipe, and don't be scared to try it. 2 ounces of cold brew, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a little salt. Go ahead and mix all of those together until smooth like this. Coat your mug with some non-stick cooking spray and add your mix in. Put that in the microwave for around 1.5 to 2 minutes, depending on how powerful your microwave is. To be honest, just keep an eye on it, and once it rises, take it out.